Bubi wenna singa kaloterera no setolinga newagana newelimba bullying yonkwase nakunze njagala oterere gwe tunula gerindako kati gwe olaba bowe molo kyalaika bulungi. God is powerful, but
you believe in God.
Sembera soko sembere wano bulungi nyaka fesi kako nkala ate nakasigeto kyamanyika kuba okote kisiriza sitegedde
abakazi bakubiziga enjala
abakazi b'okumuzigo mukwano balabika bulungi
nje siri wakumuzigo dabu
gwoba olina waako
unabadde ki? What is your problem? Umberedde ki onamberedde ki? Yate ecupa eno. What is your problem? What is your problem? Ecupa ejja kwatika.
According to what I have seen, she seemed to have been greatly and negatively affected by the drugs that she has been using. Though we shall do our medical examinations, the psychiatric assessments, we shall also do the psychological assessment. When within the first 10 days, we shall be able to produce an accurate result that we shall be able to explain to people that she's undergoing this. We've seen her condition. I seem to have known her before. And it is not me or the team, but she will go back to her original state.
They have tried to take her for several rehabilitation centers, but she normally escaped. So how safe is she? And I promise Uganda, the girl will come back into normal.
Well, addiction is something that one can never recover to 100%. You recover to near normal, and that is why we keep on giving them some aftercare program after discharge. It will depend on the severity of the of the substances that she has been using. For example, the crystal meth. It will determine whether she will be there for maybe 90 days or 180 days. But I guarantee that she will be well. Like very many people, even the person that referred her to us has passed through our hands, and many artists and many people in Uganda that has passed through our hands. Okay. So she will not be the first person that we are going to rehabilitate. And for escaping, that one, I guarantee the family members, she will never escape anywhere. Okay. We have people who have Kanyama that have tried to escape, and they have it is not like some government hospitals that are very open. People can easily move in and move out, and there is no access to drugs. Okay. So she will be fully detoxified as we move with her tonight. From tomorrow morning, we pick the blood sample and go for other medical examinations before we administer the appropriate detoxification medication for her, after which psychosocial and psychological therapies will come to play.
Okay, thank you.
Your last message to those one who are drug addicts or those one who takes
they should do, overcome stigma. Let them talk to people. Recovery is possible, and many people have recovered and they are still in recovery. They should not just fear.
Okay.
They shouldn't fear. They should speak up. There are many people. They are not alone. That's just my message.
Okay.
Thank you.